This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your speaker if you have water stuck in it. So right here. So there is an easy website you can just go to and it'll blast all the water out of it. So let's go to Google right here and then go to fixmyspeakers.com and select this. Now there is a lot of ads on this specific website. So just a heads up, I'm going to use it my Brave browser with it. So there shouldn't be any ads on my screen. So if you need a free ad blocker and a web browser, get Brave. Now under here, just scroll on down and there's going to be a little water symbol. So just press this and it's going to play a sound that's going to blast all the water out of your speaker. And then just press it again to stop it. And that should fix your issue. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.